everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can download videos from Temu. So to start, we'll just have to open our browser and then search for Temu website. Once we're here on the website, simply log into your account. And then once you're logged in, simply select an item that has a video or image that you want to download. Once you have selected and open it, on top you will see this extensions option. Simply tap on this one and then tap on the Manage Extension option. In here, we'll have to go to this Chrome Web Store, and then after that, we'll have to tap on the search bar and then type here Temu Image Downloader. And then in here, as you can see, it is now showing me different extensions that I can use to download a video or image. So as an example, I'm gonna tap on this one, and then after that, tap on this Add to Chrome option, and then tap on this Add Extensions. After that, we'll have to go back on the Temu website, and then in here to download this one, we'll have to tap on this extensions icon again and then tap on the extension that we just added. So in here, it says main image, variant images, and then description images. Don't worry, the same process applies with the video downloading. It should say here main videos or variant videos or description videos. So all you need to do is to select on what video or image that you want to download. But as for me, I'm going to select this variant images. And as you can see, it automatically downloaded the image. So keep in mind that the process is the same with downloading videos. So that's how easy you can download videos from Temu. I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any videos on our channel, and I'll see you on our next video.